Hello everyone, welcome to my Greenfoot videos. These are designed to help students doing WJEC Computer Science GCSE, but may be useful to anyone who wants to start making some simple games. Greenfoot is completely free, Java-based game development tool. So when you start, you want to go Scenario, New Java Scenario. We won't worry about Stride for now. New Java Scenario, give it a name and click Create. So mine's called My Game 4. First job. This is my stage where my game is set. I'm going to add a background to my game. So there's quite a few built-in backgrounds. They're not particularly exciting, but they'll do the job. I'm going to use a nice... No, I won't use that. I'll use Weave, whatever that is. Weave, give it a name, press OK. Now all I have to do is right-click on my new Weave class, hit New Class, and then I've got my background in place. Actors are characters in the game, so right click New Subclass again, and you can pick your main character. So I'm going to do an animal, and I'm going to do a hedgehog. Got to give it a name, no spaces in my name, hedgehog. There's my character, right click New Hedgehog, and I can draw him. Make sure I save the state of the world, right click on the stage, save. No syntax errors because I haven't actually written any code yet. If I want to run my game, run there. Keyboards. No, nothing's happening because I haven't coded him yet. Right, so what I want to do is I want to get the keyboard moving my hedgehog around the stage. So I have to do some code. Right click, open editor, and go to my Java editor. It already sets up the act method for you. It tells you in the grayed out comments there, this is where you're going to code, create a bit of space, and you're good to go. Now, I've seen many students get a bit confused when it doesn't work, and often it's related to use of capital letters, so I'm going to go quite slow. You might want to pause the video so that you can see where the capital letters are. So what I want to do is I want to check which key has been pressed on the keyboard with an if. So it's if Greenfoot.is key down. Look at my capital letters there. So let's start with left. So if the left key is pressed, I want to rotate to the left. Curly brackets, close curly brackets. I've seen students get a bit confused with their curly brackets as well. See one start there and end there, one starts there and ends there, one starts there and ends there. So just make sure that every curly brackets has a closed curly brackets and you'll be fine. Right, I want to turn the character around when you press left. So we will turn 5 degrees. And at the end of every line of code comes a semicolon. Right, let's test it. You can just close it, it'll save it, don't worry, it'll be safe. Run it, press left. Turning right, I don't like that. Better fix that through some trial and error coding. I don't want to turn 5 degrees, I want to turn minus 5 degrees. Close it, run it. Now left is left. Great. Now let's make right right. Right? Okay. I love a bit of copy and pasting, don't you? Save yourself some time. So if the key press is right, we don't turn minus 5, we turn, that's right, 5. Now, I also want up and down to move in forwards and backwards. So if the key pressed is up, I'm not going to turn 5, I'm going to move 5. If the key pressed is down, speech marks are important. I'm not going to turn minus 5, I'm going to move minus 5. Right, let's test that. Left turns left, right turns right, forward goes forwards, back goes backwards. Awesome. Now I've got a cool hedgehog. Join me for my next video where I'm going to add some items for my hedgehog to collect. Thanks for listening, guys. Take care.